It's a Thursday morning, May 19th. Water's coming down, rain's coming down. It's about 6:20, I believe, yeah. You know, all the peaches that were developing fell off my peach tree. I don't know if it's because it's getting older. It did. That's a bummer though. Cherry tree's doing great though. I'm still gonna spray it on. But it's a beautiful morning. Nice and cool. About ready to go back to bed. Couldn't sleep last night. Not much is going on. Boy, it's freezy back here. I don't know if I can record. That's just a Calamite. Woo-wee! It's actually not too heavy. Oh, there's my cooker right there, my charcoal. One thing that's nice is now the breeze is picking up and now I can get this heat out of my house. I really just don't like the heat. Stuff's blowing. Not gonna do much today. Tomorrow I get plasma again, make my money. Well guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. It's gonna warm up. It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna get a season pass to the pool. Okay guys, please subscribe, click the bell, get 1,000 years of good luck.